Okay, this is how to download and install Steam for your computer to you can use it to chat with other people like fans, friends, anybody you want who has it. You can just search them up and add them, and you can also buy games and play free games on here and play with other people and stuff. And I'm gonna show you how to get that. I'm gonna how to show you how to get Steam and stuff. As you can see right here, I already got it. But I'm just gonna show you the basics. But then after I download, I can't really download it because I already got it though. But if I uninstall it, it's gonna uninstall all my games, not to reinstall the ones I have installed. And that might take a while, and it's yeah. So I'm just gonna go from there. So after you install it, you should be able to figure it out from there. But here we go. All right. First, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to hold on. Is you're gonna want to go to Google and type in steampower.com and go to welcome to Steam. And what you're going to do, so maybe do that, sorry. So you're going to go to www.steampower.com. I'll put the link in description. I'll put the link in the description on how to, just so you can just click there. But once you click this link, it's going to take you to this page here. Okay? And then what you're going to do is, this is the main page of Steam. You can just the games here and stuff. But what you're going to do is you're going to want to up by login and language, you're going to say hit install Steam. And it's going to take you here. You're going to hit install Steam now. It's going to ask you to save it. We want to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. It's a .exe file. Wait for it to get done. It says 0 seconds left. Wait for it. See, now it's done. And now you can just click the arrow, or you can just minimize this and it should be on your desktop. See, it's right here. It'll be like this. You have to have you have to be an administrator to be able to run it, but you can just click on it here. Click on it in here. You must be an administrator, or else you cannot. You hit yes. And what you do is do all this. Next. I accept. Next. English, unless if you're whatever language you read or speak and read, you pick. But if you're English American, you pick English. So of course, if you don't want to pick English, if you're American. Next, I'm just gonna save it. It's gonna make a folder called C Program Files. If you don't, you should have that. x86 Steam. That's gonna be it's gonna be a new folder. It's gonna create on there. Steam. And hit install. See, it's gonna say it error because I've already got the file. But then it'll download, and after that it should come up with saying like log into an existing account or create a new account. And if you don't already have Steam, you're gonna want to hit create new account and go from there. Hope this helped, and thanks for listening, and I'll enjoy. Thanks.